Hello kids, are you ready to learn with me? Say yes! Wow, look at these beautiful colors. This is red, pink, yellow, and this is black. Awesome job, kids! Tell me, which color do you like the most? Yay! I love your answers. Now, let's learn numbers from 1 to 20. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. Now let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, you did an amazing job. Watch again and practice every day.